Get strong.
Good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are in the world. Thanks for making it 12 years gone once again. Today I will be attempting to eat not just one patty, not just two, not just three, but all the 5 patties within a minute or less. Watch and enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. Patties are very, very hot. Well, good. So my main channel, I'm able to finish eating one patty. Anyhow, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel because we are aiming to grow very massive and we want at least 1,500 subscribers by the middle of this year. Thank you for watching once again. Peace out. I really tried to eat at least one patty under a minute, but whenever you're eating these Jamaican patties, trust me, it's not that easy to eat. And they're very hot. This is my second, and I'm struggling. Jamaican patty, the best patty in the Caribbean, I was told. Jamaican beef patty, you can see, filled with beef. I really tried it though. See? And my second onion plugging, struggling. Struggling. Like it's very tasty, as it should. And very hot. I mean, it burned my mouth earlier. So whenever you're eating this patty, it is not for the faint-hearted, and you have to eat it with care. This thing is extremely hot, especially when it just come out of the oven, and these are taken out of the oven a few minutes ago. Very, very hot, less than half an hour ago. Very, very hot. As I said earlier, we're aiming for at least 1,500 subscribers by the middle of this year, and we need your assistance. I noticed that you have been watching our videos, however only a few have subscribed. I'm imploring, please like, share and subscribe, and go over our business page. We have a business page, yes. We sell natural skincare products. Go over jacaribhealthyglow.com. jacaribhealthyglow.com. You never know, you may need something for your skin, or you can recommend something for a friend of yours skin, or you may actually buy something for your friend. Go over that business page and view it. Give it some time and view it, and you never know. Thanks once again for watching, and have a great morning, afternoon, evening, anywhere you're at in the world. Peace out.